Hi everyone, welcome to Flavors. Today I am sharing the recipe of vegetable chowmein. Let's quickly look at the ingredients first. Ideally for making the chowmein you should use Hakka Noodles, but I am using Yippee because that's what I have. For the veggies I am using sliced onions, juliennes of red and green bell pepper and some cabbage, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I've already boiled water. To this I am adding 1 heaped teaspoon of salt, adding noodles to boiling water and boil them exactly for 3 minutes. I am not adding any oil while boiling the noodles. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame and wash it under running water till it is completely cool. Once the water has drained, grease them with a tablespoon of oil. Keep them in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. That will completely separate each strand of noodle. In a pan, take some oil, heat it really well. Once the oil is really hot, add the sliced onions, saute it for a minute on high heat. Add the chopped onion garlic. Let them saute on high heat for at least 2-3 minutes without stirring them. Give it another minute. Mix it. Add cabbage. Give a good mix. Let the flame be on high. That will help in giving a smoky flavor to the vegetables. Toss them. Now add bell pepper. Mix it well. Lower the flame. Adding salt, slightly lesser than the required quantity because we'll add the sauces, they also have salt. Give it a good mix. The veggies are done, but they are still crunchy. So now adding noodles. Immediately after adding noodles, adding 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 2 spoons of hot and sweet sauce, white pepper powder and some black pepper. Mix everything well. Toss them. Once everything is combined well, check for salt. Adding very little salt. Some more chili sauce. Little soya sauce to get the perfect color. And very little tomato ketchup. Give a good mix. Saute it for another minute and it should be done. If you have spring onion, you can garnish it with greens of spring onion. Looks perfect. Switch off the flame. This is done. Very tasty vegetable noodles is ready. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.